We've had a little bit of rainfall, but let's still give them a little bit of food. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. It is Thursday the 30th of July 2026 and it is day 165 of the Chilli grow up. It's a lovely warm 22 degrees and the clouds are full and very grey. So yeah, we've not have too much water. I'd say about an inch worth of water, not even that. Half inch of water, just enough, as you can see on the soil. It's just a little bit patchy. It's still quite dry on the top, so I'm still feeling quite confident in getting them some fertiliser. If anything, the topsoil will have just been loosened up a little bit. It's going to be easier for the plants to absorb these nutrients. Because even though it's rained, as you can see, for example, the sweet banana looking a bit droopy, and then like this ghost pepper, the leaves are looking a bit sad, aren't they? Same here, you see. So we need to get these sorted, to get some nutrients into them all. They're all looking okay, just a few of them that are obviously a bit hungry. They're looking a little bit sad, these few here. So nothing too crazy, nothing to worry about, just get them a bit of food because they're a little bit hungry. So other than that, hope you're doing well, hope you're having a wonderful week so far. Hopefully you've had a little bit of rainfall where you are and it's sorted this ground out a little bit, because everybody's grass and garden is looking like this. Just dead, barren straw, literally. So yeah, we welcome the water, long overdue. Let's do this, shall we, Lucy? Let's do this. Let's get into day 165. Happy Thursday to you, Lucy Lou. Are you ready for your egg? Can I get a pour? Thank you very much. Enjoy. Are you hungry, eh? Trouble in town. If you know, you know. Okay, so just a little bit. There we go. About that amount, just so it'll be easier to soak down and the roots can get their nutrients. So this is the Padrón, and the peppers are looking lovely there. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's put one here, one in the background there. They look great, don't they? Marvellous on the Padrón. Our Sugar Rush Peach Stripey, loads of new flower heads. Let's give them a little splash of fertiliser there. Looking great. Our Buena Mulata's next. Now, lots and lots of new peppers, look. All in the middle. They're quite tricky, they're quite hidden. But they're all there, so let's give them a little drink as well. Here's our habanero, completely bushing out. Lots of flowers and what have you going on in the middle. Looking great. Two of those in there. A bit of water and fertiliser for him. Another Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. So much going on. Loads of flowers. And here's our Tabasco. No flowers just yet. It's in the smaller pot. Looking good. Our sweet banana's looking very sad. More peppers along there. There we go. Our overwintered, our smaller Cayenne. Loads of new flowers. Looking great. And these are a couple of Mirch Masalas. The one here and the one there. They're not going to need too much, the smaller pots. But that'll be just about right for the sweet banana, Cayenne and the two Mirch Masalas. The Armageddon, looking a bit sad. We'll fix that right now. I'm going to do these little Mirch Masalas as well. Just a little splash on each. That's our mystery plant there. Those purple leaves, lovely. And the ghost peppers. Mirch Masala. And look at our bushy Zimbabwe black. That has literally filled out the whole grow bag now. Looking great. We're going to get some production very, very soon. Black jalapeno. Lots of new ones popping up there. Looking great. Doing awesome. We've lost quite a few flowers. But we've still got plenty coming though. Looking awesome on the black jalapeno. Our ghost pepper in need of some food. Look at these, so nice. Let me just check the bottom there. Hopefully no issues. Let's give them just a little splash there. And then get these nutrients in on the ghost pepper. And we've got another Armageddon. These leaves are looking a bit droopy. In fact, let's pull that leaf off. But yeah. That's got the dream catchers. They're starting to get nice and tall now. Especially this one. Look at it. Very, very nice indeed. I've got a Carolina Reaper here. A bit lopsided. That's all good there. Another Armageddon. Growing out strange. Starting to get some flowers though. There we go. And the Scotch Bonnet MOA is just ballooned up. We got our lovely peppers there. Looking great. Our mystery. Look how much that's grown. Who knows what that's going to be, but we'll see soon. Our Tabasco, starting to get lots of new flowers. Marvellous, marvellous, marvellous. And here's a Cayenne. Not seeing anything just yet, just a few starting to appear, look. Pointing up. There we go. And here's a Kashmiri Mirch. And no flowers just yet, or peppers. And another Cayenne. Got a few peppers starting to appear. Lots of flowers. We're going to move to the back here. And here's an Armageddon. Probably the smallest Armageddon that we've got. But looking alright. Let's move further down here. And this is a Kashmiri Mirch. Okay, nothing on the side of flowers just yet. Here's our Cayenne in the smaller pot. We get lots of new chilies starting to show now. Going down there. Lovely stuff. See them all hiding in the back? Beautiful. And that's literally been over the last couple of days. They've just started to appear. Looking lovely. Scotch Bonnet MOA needs a support cane. It's a bit lopsided, look. We'll get that fixed right away. Another Cayenne. Doing beautiful. Lots of flowers. Loads of new peppers. And a nice tall plant. Very tall indeed. Okay, what have we got on here? Here's a Mirch Masala. Hopefully we get some flowers and peppers showing soon on these Mirch Masalas. Been quite a while. Here goes another Mirch Masala here, look. Now here's our big Armageddon. Look at that, just huge. The stem is just tree trunk. Lots of little flowers. So we'll get them nice and fed. Here's our large orange tie. Again, no flowers just yet, but should be alright in time. And a Carolina Reaper. Just got very tall. Very nice indeed. Here's another black jalapeno. Look at these. just beautiful. There's a couple there, and all those are starting to turn up there. So we're getting nice and fed. We've also got a Cayenne in the back here. Smallest Cayenne. We're starting to get lots of chili showing. Beautiful stuff. There's another dream catcher. Beautiful. There's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Looking lovely there. Lots of flowers. And there's a branch next. Loads of flowers on these. Hopefully peppers soon. Another Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. And another Zebrange. Looking great. On the striped peppers, I just want to start seeing some soon. And here's another Zebrange. Lots of new stuff. But no pods just yet. Here's our Carolina Reaper. Looking great. Again, no flowers or pods just yet. But hopefully that'll be soon. Our Jalapeño. Move these guys out there, look. Beautiful. And our infamous ghost pepper. Look at these. Crazy, crazy. A bit of water and fertiliser there. Our overwintered Cayenne. None of them have started to turn just yet. Again, we're just absolutely loaded with peppers at the moment. And hopefully they'll turn very soon. Here's a Padrón. Lots of flowers. We do have some peppers there, look. Looking good. And here's a Scotch Bonnet MOA. Lots of flowers. Looking good. So there we have it, everybody. As you can see, the soil now super soaked. Everybody's had a good feed. And it didn't need too much because the soil was already damp with the rain. Now I didn't waterlog it because I thought if there is any more rain coming today, which is highly likely, it's not going to be too much to wash the nutrients out, but be just enough to get them going. So yeah, that wraps up day 165. Thank you all so much for joining us today. It means the world to Lucy and I. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful day. A great Thursday and a great rest of your week. And we'll see you tomorrow. See you Friday. Take care. Bye-bye.